Hey, it's Andy with IT Supplies. Here at our Chicagoland Demo Center, we have a stable of printers from Epson, Canon, and HP. We love to host customers for hands-on demos to see these printers in action, but in-person demos aren't always feasible for our nationwide customers. So how does IT Supplies help customers around the country evaluate their new printer options? Watch this video to learn about our 5-step process to help you pick the best printer for your business. So how can IT Supplies help our nationwide audience test, sample, and decide on their next printer purchase? Today, we're going to look at our 5-step approach. Step 1, have a call to discuss your needs and what you're looking to achieve. This is the foundation for all the rest of the steps to follow. We need to understand your priorities, your applications, your space constraints, and all the other criteria that go into making your printer purchase a success. No one wants to spend thousands of dollars on a new printer only to find out that it doesn't meet their actual needs. We love to have customers reach out to us via phone or email to start this dialogue. We promise to listen to your requirements and to steer you towards the best printers for your application. Step 2 is to send us your files. After we understand the products you're trying to print, we don't want you to just take our word for which printer is best. We want you to see for yourself the print quality, the speed, and the costs. This starts with the customer providing images that we can print. And that's step 3. We print your files. We print them on the printer or printers that are best suited for your needs. We'll use a paper or print medium that simulates the product that you want to produce. Better yet, if you want to send us your specific substrate, we can test it on your exact medium. We'll print your files at the speeds and the print qualities that you discussed with your sales consultant. Step 4 is to record the time it takes to print your files in the various modes. This is an important step as you'll want to know what kind of production throughput you can expect with your new printer. At the same time, we will record the amount of ink that's used in your prints so that you will know your expected cost per print. The 5th step is to take these prints, pack them up, and ship them off to you. This is when you'll get your chance to review all the prints that we've sent to your attention. You should be able to compare the print quality, the speeds, and the costs of the different samples that we've sent. This will arm you with the information that you need to make the best decision for your business. Your sales consultant will give you a call to talk through the samples and make sure you have all of your questions answered. That's it. That's how we can help people around the country evaluate their printer options before making a purchase. We want to do the extra legwork to make sure that you feel confident in the printer you choose. And we hope that step 6 is to help you place an order for your new printer. Thank you for watching this video. If you're ready to evaluate your options for your next printer, please visit us at itsupplies.com and give us a call. We'll be waiting to take your call and to help you through this testing process. If you found this helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.